Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to negative t. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative b over 2. So I will put this one goal here to find the value of t. So t equals to b over 2. When s equals to b over 2. So I will put this one goal here to find the value of t. So t equals to negative b over 2. So this one we change for positive b over 2. This one we change for negative b over 2. The s we change for negative dt. S we change for negative t. And this one now we have the formula in here. So this one we have negative side t. This one we have positive t. So this one that is about 1 over cosine t of sine t. Now about this one we have the negative side, so we can swap the top and the bottom together. Next, we can do about like this. So we have this one multiplied by this one, and we have like this. Next, I will put this one that is about capital I. This one that is about capital I. And now we change back t into s. So we have this one plus this one. So because we have same common denominator, so number 1 plus this one. So this one we have 2i. This one we simplify and we have the s. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. The integration of the s, we have s, and I will put the bounds from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we have b over 2. And we know that that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.